We interrupt programming at the request of the National Weather Service to activate the North Texas Emergency Alert System. The National Weather Service has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern Kaufman County until 6:15. A severe thunderstorm is located over Kaufman, moving northeast at 45 miles per hour. This storm may contain 60-mile-per-hour wind gusts and quarter-sized hail, and a reminder that Kaufman County is under a tornado watch at this time. Once again, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued for northern Kaufman County until 6:15. A severe thunderstorm is located over Kaufman, moving northeast at 45 miles per hour. The storm could produce damage in Terrell, Kaufman, Crandall, Oak Grove, Post Oak, Oak Ridge, and Lawrence. A reminder that a tornado watch is in effect for all of Kaufman County. All North Texas stations affected by this alert are requested to relay the preceding message. Oak Grove, Post Oak, Oak Ridge, and Lawrence. A reminder that a tornado watch is in effect for all of Kaufman County. All North Texas stations affected by this alert are requested to relay the preceding message.
18 was here.
Then anyway.